That's the weirdest substance I've ever stepped in. Ooh, look at this rock pile. Maybe I'll like ride over it. Wreck. All by myself. I won't wreck. I like going over. This is fun. That's when you wish you had shorter first gear. That's when the dual sport gearing is too tall. When you get over it, and then you like click, like right at the top, and your gear like can't go that slow, and like your bike goes kick, 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 kick. That's when you want like a first gear, like on like an XR200 or something, where it's like really short, like max is like 4 miles per hour. Try doing a third gear wheelie. Don't you hate that? As soon as you open your wind visor, it's like you get a fucking bug in your eye instantly. You mind if I do wheelies here?